Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kitana. I hope you're all doing well. I'm glad you're back, As you can see, we started doing makeup already. I've started with... we have a wig cap on that doesn't sit in a place. We've got our eyes, I've got our contour, because I want to focus on our Halloween makeup more. So we're gonna finish our eyes, blend it black, make it dark, spooky. We're gonna make Halloween big glam. Fight me. So we're gonna finish our eyes. We're gonna later add some spooky, scary things on our face. You will see. Do a cut crease. I'm using thick foundation. Is that normal? Never. Add some white eyeshadow on top so it doesn't move. Set in place, both sides. We're gonna do our bottom line, bottom lid, as you will, with black to make it even more darker and darker and darker. Now we're gonna blend it to make it seamless, beautiful. We're gonna add some shimmer. I will add some setting spray on the brush so it sticks better. Because you have to fight with the eyeshadow sometimes. Add some eyelashes, add some lipstick. Make it juicy, Slay Queen, yeah. Here you go, guys. This is our Halloween makeup look. What you think? I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you in another one. I really enjoyed this makeup. Ha, bitch, I'm back. No. We're gonna rip the lipstick off. Oh, fucking hell, I'm such an actor, I've got the job. We're gonna make it dramatic. Gonna take cotton balls, liquid latex. We're gonna spill it out. And liquid latex is a bit stinky, A little stinky. You'll get used to it after a while. Look at my face. What am I doing for beauty? Beauty is pain, Cover your mouth with it, as you will. Rip the cotton balls up. Stick them all around the latex. Yeah, now, beautiful. You will need a few. Cover all your mouth. Doesn't have to be perfect, it's ripped skin. You have to be texture to it. Cannot be flat. Rip it up. Just imagine it's your ex or something. Rip it. Rip it, kill it. Be careful so liquid latex doesn't go on your hair because it'll rip it out after and don't put it in your eyes because you will never open them again. So you won't be able to watch my videos. That would be a shame, wouldn't it? So right now we're looking like Santa Claus. This is Christmas makeup tutorial. Yeah. Itchy. Now we're covering the cotton balls with latex again. In place. So it doesn't move. Don't worry, it's gonna be falling out, sticking to it, but at the end it's gonna be nice. Nicely textured. As you see, it's kind of looking creepy now. I cannot move my mouth. Cannot have a drink, so I'm on a diet when I'm doing this video. Add some more in places that's not covered, because we don't want to see our mouth. What does this mouth do? Nothing. There you go. As you can see, it's looking not normal. Cannot move it. Rock hard. But be prepared that it's gonna be sticking everywhere, the cotton balls and everything. Oh my god, sticking to fingers. Now you take some cheap foundation. You can cover it with. You don't want your expensive one, makeup, Halloween makeup. Doesn't have to be your shade because we're gonna color it after. Cover it all. Yeah. Make it skin-like. You're doing great. You're doing great, sweetie, yeah? Why no one says stuff like this to me? Ha! Bitch, you cannot talk. And you cannot sing. Fuck. Now we're gonna take some contour, dark shade, we're gonna cover it all. Set it in place, yeah, now. We're gonna keep adding colors now. All different ones. You know, just try to match your actual skin. It can be darker if you will. I use like 3 different shades. Now we're taking a hairpin and I'm trying to make holes in the creation. If you like rip mouth, you know, rip it apart, rip it bit more. Yeah, you want it like hanging off your face, you know what I mean? You can use anything you want. You can use scissors, you can use anything, pins, make it messy, you know. Now we're gonna cover it with foundation again. You know, it has to be a skin, it cannot be white. It's looking like a beard, to be fair. We're doing mainly makeup, you know? Always wanted to be a man. So now we're gonna add some brown color in the contrast. Keep adding like different browns, different blacks, different red. Some more brown. Yeah. As you can see, it's coming together now. Just work on the illusion right now, you know? Deepen the colors, deepen the shades. Pull some bits if you want more. Just work on it. You can see it's looking more like our skin color. Since we started, that was not a good match for now. We're gonna use some pins, you know, we're gonna pretend we closed our mouth, someone sew them in. Be careful, don't poke yourself. Sometimes it's gonna hard to go through, you know? Fake? I'm gonna close it now somehow. I need 2 hands to do it. It can be difficult because, you know. I did it? Yeah. So add some more. I just kept adding and adding until now it's like, yeah, that's nice. It's gonna be like a little accessory for us, you know, handbag. I don't even know how many I added. Just cover the places that you ripped so they're not white. It's looking cool, isn't it? It's not that hard, I don't think. Now we are going to add some black paint to make the illusion of holes, like hole in your mouth. Just additional one, you know? You can have 10 holes. The more holes, the better. Make the illusion of deep wounds, if you will. Oh. Imagine if I had to speak in this video, then how would I do it? You will get the hang of it after a while, you know? You will know how you want it to look. The spookier you make it, the better it will be. And with that done, now extra step, add some blood. Yeah, blood. You know, after they poke you with the needle, you have to add some blood. I just added an initial clip. I decided I need one. My mouth wasn't shut properly. Some blood. Don't worry if it goes on your hands. Just rub it around if it goes, you know, make an illusion. You can match your hands with the face. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really did. You cannot move your mouth. Oh, blood is dripping, you know, it's real. Thank you guys for watching. See you in another one. Bye. Happy Halloween.